MediaTek Dimensity 925G platform gets an AnTuTu score of 485K, about 18% improvement from the iQOO Z6 5G. Octa-core processor based on power-efficient 6 nanometers. Process supports HDR graphics, faster Wi-Fi 6, dual 5G 6 MPOIS ultra-stable camera. 2 MP bokeh camera, front, selfie, camera, 6 MP camera features, ultra stabilization mode. Vlog movie, dual view video, HDR, night mode, portrait mode. Double exposure, panorama mode, pro mode, 4K video at 30 fps. 1080p video at 60 fps, 6.38 inches FHD Jore AMOLED display, 1300 nits peak local brightness, 90 Hz refresh rate, HDR10 Jore certified, shot sensation up glass protection, IP54 rated 44W flash charge, get 50% or full day charge in just 25 minutes, ultra game mode, motion control, and 1200 Hz instant touch sampling rate for immersive gaming, extended RAM 3.0, up to 1TB expandable storage, 3.5mm audio jack, Funtouch OS 13 based on Android 13.